Hi, Math 3 students. So we're going to go ahead and start on problem 36 here. Now, what it's asking is it wants you to determine the degree of the polynomial, the sign of the leading coefficient, how many zeros you have, and how many either maxes, mins, or extrema you have, depending on what it asks. So if we look here, you can see that the end behavior goes in opposite directions. So when it goes in opposite directions, you know that you are going to have an odd degree. All right, and you could always look back to the chart that we filled out, right? And you can see that when it goes in opposite directions, that's where we have our odd degree. Now in this case, right, when the left-hand side goes down, the right-hand side goes up, that means that we have a positive leading coefficient. So we would put positive here. And then distinct real zeros are going to be how many times we cross the x-axis. In this case, we cross it 5 times. And maximum values, we have a maximum right here and a maximum right here. So we have 2 relative maximum values. All right, let's go ahead and try this one. So again, we have to look at our end behavior. You can see that it goes in opposite directions. So this is going to be an odd degree polynomial. If you look at your chart, when the left-hand side goes up and the right-hand side goes down, that is going to be when we have a negative leading coefficient. Then we look at the distinct real zeros. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And then it asks for minimum values. We have 1, 2, 3 in this case. So we have 3 relative minimums. All right, number 38. First, let's determine if it's going to be an even or an odd degree. If we look here, we can see that both the arrows go in the same direction. So this is going to be even. And since they both go down, it's going to be a negative leading coefficient. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 distinct real zeros. And then this one asks for maximum values, and we've got 1, 2 maximums.